If you're seeing the cert weak signature algorithm error in Google Chrome on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few practical fixes that can help you get back to browsing normally. We'll start with the safest methods first, then move to a temporary bypass only if you absolutely need it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and Chrome fixes. All right, let's get into it. The first thing to try is clearing your SSL state. This helps remove old certificate cache files that may be causing Chrome to think a website has a weak or outdated signature algorithm. To do this, press Windows and S on your keyboard to open Search. Type Internet Options and open it from the results. When the Internet Properties window appears, go to the Content tab. On that tab, look for the button that says Clear SSL State and click it. Windows will clear the stored SSL certificate cache, which can often resolve certificate-related browser errors. Once that's done, close the window and try loading the website again in Chrome. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your antivirus. In some cases, antivirus software can scan encrypted web traffic and interfere with secure connections. If your antivirus has web protection, HTTPS scanning, or secure connection checking enabled, temporarily turn it off and test the site again. Just be careful here because this is only for troubleshooting. If the website works after disabling antivirus protection, then you'll know the issue is being caused by your security software, and you may need to adjust its web protection settings instead of leaving it off permanently. Now let's move on to updating Google Chrome. An outdated browser can sometimes trigger certificate errors, especially if the site you're visiting uses newer security standards. To force Chrome to check for updates, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically search for updates and install them if one is available. If an update is installed, let it finish, then restart the browser. This step is simple, but it's one of the most important fixes because a fully updated browser is much more likely to handle certificate validation correctly. If you still need to access the site immediately and you trust the network and the website, there is a temporary bypass option. I want to stress that this is not recommended for private data or sensitive logins because it disables certificate error warnings. To do this, right-click your Google Chrome desktop shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Shortcut tab and find the Target field. Click at the very end of the line, press spacebar once, and then add this parameter, --ignore-certificate-errors. After that, click Apply and open Chrome using that shortcut. Chrome will now ignore certificate validation errors for that session. Again, this is only a temporary workaround, not a permanent fix, and you should avoid using it for banking, passwords, or any private information. So to recap, start by clearing the SSL state, then check your antivirus settings, update Google Chrome, and only use the shortcut bypass if you trust the site and need a quick temporary solution. In most cases, one of the first three steps will fix the problem without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix the cert weak signature algorithm error, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.